Before you begin, remove the access panel and memory fan duct assembly. Removal. Note, it may be necessary to remove PCI cards to gain access to the RTC battery. Using a non-metallic, flat-bladed tool, carefully release the RTC battery from the retention clips on the RTC battery socket to partially release the RTC battery. Lift the RTC battery out of the RTC battery socket and remove. Replacement. With the positive side of the RTC battery facing up, toe the edge of the RTC battery into its socket and gently press down until it snaps into place.